Hi there, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. This is called The Box of Memories and it's available as a weekend craft event on the 18th-ish of August 2023 and also as a full kit and PDF with or without the Make a Splash paper collection. So if you love the project and you'd like to make it, follow the links below in the description and you'll be able to find out more information. So here it is, lovely MDF box, nice and deep. We've got wooden feet on the bottom and wooden knobs on the front, one to open the drawer and one to lift up the lid. And I've taken this gorgeous shell paper, matched it with the lilac patterns and solids to create the outer look for the box. We've got a drop front with a shaker lid and a little bit of stickles detail around the edge there. And then inside we've got a gorgeous tuck spot in the lid to put memories, and in the top we've got a fun little album. So let's get the little album out. I love the way this collection works with the patterns and solids and the colours. Everything is just so pretty. It was really fun to decorate with it. So we've got one of the cutouts, the journaling cards, that are now in the paper collection. Stickers and some of the papers, patterns and solids, just layered up on the front and sort of setting the scene for the little album. It's a 5-page album with pockets on the inner covers as well, and it really is designed just to take pictures, whatever it is that you want to pop in the pockets. And each page has got the option, you can have a flat page or you can have a pull-out on each page. And the pages just work through the different colours and colourways in the collection. Really gorgeous. So a nice little project for you to put your pictures straight onto the pages and do some journaling. Extras in the pockets. I love it. I just love, love, love the colours. And then we've got a little pull out in the pockets on the front and back covers. So that's the little album. Let's pop that back in the top and pull out the little drawer. And then in the drawer we've got 3 little extras. Let's get them out. Again, all designed to hold your memories. So we're going to make this fun little trinket box, just a card-based box with decorative papers on the outside, designed to be able to put your little bits and pieces in. It fits perfectly in the drawer. I've used one of the cutouts from the collection and a little bit of lavender stickles just to sparkle it up. And then we have got a mini brag book in its own little box. Nice and deep, lots of room for putting extra pictures in. Again, decorated with the stickles around the edge and one of the stickers, 2 stickers from the collection. Open that up, take out the little brag book. Nice little square brag book. We've got pocket elements on one side and a nice space for pictures at the top. Again, you can see how beautiful these papers are and how well they all work together. And then if you come back the other way, we've just got plain surfaces that you can decorate to suit whatever it is that you're going to put your in your little book. And that all sits in its own little box. And then last of all, we've got photo holders, just layered photo holders. There's room for 5, 6, 7 and they just lace up in a nice little laced band for whatever it is that you fancy popping in them. You can put pictures on both surfaces, you can put something in a pocket, you can create a pocket on the back, and they make lovely little memories of an event, just something small, and they make a really nice gift as well. And also, if you made a few, you could make them into a little album just by creating a spine and a little cover for them. So a fabulous idea to put more memories into a box. And then they all do up and fit back in the little laced band to hold them all together. So each of these little gifts also makes a single item, and then it all fits together in the large box. Let's pop it all back in. So that is a box of memories, available as a craft workshop if you'd like to come and craft with me for a weekend. A great way for us all to craft together no matter where we are around the globe, or as a PDF kit with everything that you need, including or without the papers to make the project. So I hope I've inspired you to craft with this gorgeous collection. Thanks very much for watching. Do follow the links below if you're interested in the project, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new projects and products as they come out. Thanks for watching.